Hello friends, welcome to channel SAP Lobby. So today we'll discuss about the individual or collective requirement indicator in SAP. Okay. So before we proceed, if you did not subscribe channel, please subscribe this channel. And so in the MRP 4, so let me go to the SAP. So here in the MRP 4 there is one indicator, individual collective requirement. Okay, so there is one blank 1 2. So sometimes we get confused, like why there are three indicator and what is the purpose of that. So I thought of making the video on this, how it impact to your BOM components, and when you have the planning, and how it impact to your planning also. Okay, so now there are three indicator, blank 1 2. So blank means that is, here it is written individual collective requirement. So when you use the blank, and so whatever the components requirement or components planning will behave as it is the its parent material hub. So if parent material have the MTO scenario, then and it has the special stock, then this BOM component also have, it will ask for special stock. So it will behave as it is in the as its parent material behave. Okay. And then one means like it will be impact if your parent material is for individual requirement or it is for MTO, then it is impact. Okay, so suppose your parent material is for MTO scenario, then it will create a, it will ask for special stock for this component. Okay, and if you use 2 means it will be the requirement for all, so it will not ask any special stock. It will be asked for this, that stock will be for, can be used for all. I mean any requirement you can use if you use the 2. Okay, so various requirement you can use that stock, so it will not ask any special stock. Okay, so these are the three functionality in the for individual collective requirement. Okay, so let me show one scenario. So if you look at this material has individual collective requirement is 1. Okay, and if I go to the MRP 3, let me re-log in. I think it's stuck up. So now, okay, so if you go to the MRP 3, okay, so this is now, so I will change this to the make prod scenario. So now I will add the strategy 20. Okay, now if I go to the MD04, so if you look at, there is one sales order. Okay, there is a sales order. Okay, So before we do the planning, let me check what are there in the component. So here, if this component, if I go to this component, so if you look at, this is blank, individual collector requirement is blank for this component. Okay, and if I go to this component, so it has 1. Okay, so now, so if I run the planning for this material, okay, if I run the planning, if you look at this 2 material has planned here, the below material. Now if I go to the MD04, okay, here if I open this one, if I go to the component, okay, so if you look at this one, special stock, okay. So first one component with individual collector 1 and another with blank. So when it is blank, it will behave as it is in the parent material. So its parent material is with MTO scenario, okay. So because as it is with MTO scenario, it needs the special stock. So its component also need the special stock, because that has the individual collector requirement as a blank, and another is with collect in 1 individual collector as a 1. So that is both they need the special stock. Okay, so that's a E means cell sorter stock. Okay, E means cell sorter stock. So that's what then both component require the special stock. Okay, now I'll do one thing. Out of that, here, suppose I will go to this component, okay, here if I go here, so now suppose I will put here 2, okay, collective requirement, okay, then I will save it. Now I will rerun MRP again, and here I will put the 3, so it will delete and recreate the existing planning. So I deleted, okay. Now if I okay, 1 second. One second, I will rerun MRP again. Okay, so now I will go to MD04. Okay, so if I do the plan order, now this is a new plan. Last time it is 6936, now it is 6937. Okay, this is make to order scenario. If I go to that plan order, okay, component, so now if you look at here, here, so 100 431, this component is having the collective individual collective requirement as 2. So if you look at special stock is blank, it don't need any specialist because its value is 2. But this component is with 1 individual collective requirement as 1, so it need the special stock. Okay, So if I go and check this component, okay, and so if I go to the method 4, so if you look at, it is 2. Okay, that is the reason when in this plan order, 100 431, 100 431. Okay, so its special stock is blank, so you don't need any cell stock, any special stock, it is not required. Okay, and its stock being can be as a empty scenario, it can be used many other requirement also, so it is not specific only for one sales order. Okay, but if you check this one, okay, so here, so it has the individual character requirement 1, so it's that's it, it need the update special stock and sales order stock. Okay, so that's what that is the how the individual collective requirement behave when you maintain in the component level or in material level. Okay, that's what, that is the functionality of individual collective requirement. Okay, so so I try to explain the with this test case. So if you have any further comment or query on this, please let know, so I will try to address that one. And please like and subscribe